CYANO BIOTECH collects strains of cyanobacteria to identify novel compounds and their biological activity. They've already found compounds with interest and leads in new antibiotics, novel cosmetic properties, pesticides, antimicrobials, herbicides, but their main focus has been on cyanotoxins and their potential to be used to kill cancer cells. We chose to acquire CYANO BIOTECH for multiple reasons. They bring us our own R&D facility for the first time. We have world-leading experts in Dan and Enke and the team in the field of cyanobacteria, and access into the biopharma space through their ADC platform and the cyanotoxins that will be delivered to and kill cancer cells.
So ADCs are not a new technology. The first ADC was marketed more than 20 years ago, and the second needed another decade to get approved. But these first generation ADCs were still connected with serious problems like severe side effects and low efficacy. So this situation has very much changed in just the last couple of years with the development of novel antibody engineering and novel linker technologies. From the 12 ADCs marketed today, more than the half have been approved in only the last 3 years. So obviously, this is a very fast-growing pharma segment. However, what has been somehow neglected is the development of novel payloads for ADCs, and here cyanobacteria represent an ideal source and also an efficient production host, proven by the fact that 5 of the 12 approved ADCs already carry a cyanobacterial payload, and obviously, we are in a very strong position here, not only because of our ADC payload
platform. That's definitely not the intention. We believe that and envisage that CYANO BIOTECH will actually deliver a revenue stream next year. They already have the existing sales of bioreagents into laboratories around the world. Alongside that, we envisage sales from our ADC platform, such as collaboration projects with big pharma companies, working on the development of novel compounds through preclinical and hopefully eventually into clinical phase development. We still feel that whole area feels very promising. What we've been doing is trials and investigating how we can optimize the yield that we take from each biomass. And instead of selling off a biomass, we're looking to extract optimum amounts of multiple active compounds from that biomass. That allows us to sort of charge more in total per kilo than we would do from selling off pure biomass. For 2023, I envisage that it will be relatively evenly split through our food supplement business, the B2B business, and then exploiting this novel ADC platform within and the other sales that we already have through bioreagents at CYANO BIOTECH. After that, there's so much potential still within each of those areas. They're very small today, so there's huge opportunity for growth. But I do envisage that over time, sales from the ADC platform and other technologies that will roll off of the CYANO BIOTECH acquisition will actually take precedence. And then don't forget that we're still remaining actively interested in further acquisitions to bolt onto the business in order to expand our capabilities, bring us into new verticals, and so that's still firmly part of our vision as well. The top three would be, first and foremost, we want to make sure that we sell contracts and begin to collaborate with big pharma companies or pharma companies with the development of novel compounds for cancer treatment. Secondly, as we mentioned, we're relaunching or launching our range of food supplements, and we need to make sure that is a big success this time around. And finally, getting to GMP certification is going to be critical for the future of the business. So investing in our production facility, both to optimize yields but also to improve the biosecurity so that we can gain that GMP certification.